Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, safe inside your homes. So, today we are going to continue with the chapter number 5 in history, that is when people rebel 1857 and after. So, we've already started the first part where we understood what exactly happened when people started rebelling. That is when what do we understand by the word rebel? That is when somebody is not obeying or somebody is not following the rules which have been set up by the authorities. That is what we mean by rebel. So then the rebellion spreads. So all the towns and the villages, it was spread all over the towns and the villages. Nana Sahib, he was there from the Kanpur, Bris Kadar from Lucknow, and Rani Lakshmibai, of course, as we all know, from the Jhansi. So British, they were defeated in the battles, and then they were new all leaders in that time. Then after that the company fights back. Then there was a reinforcement from England being done. Then there were all the new rules and regulations completely different which were formed. Delhi was captured completely by them, and after that Mughal emperor, it was a life imprisonment was given to them, and the Rani of Jhansi, that is Rani Lakshmibai, was also killed. So and then there were rewards for the loyal land holders. So after that there were certain rewards which were formed for the rewards for the loyal land holders. After method means what exactly had happened after it. Then there was a new act, that is 1858, and then there was a shift of power to the crown. There was a title of viceroy, viceroy being given. A new territory would not be annexed in future, and also the proportion of the Indian soldiers in the army would be reduced. So this is a very important point which has to be considered, that the proportion of the Indian soldiers in the army, it would be reduced. Land, property of Muslims, they were all confiscated. The respect, the customs of India, they were given respect, and the new policies were introduced, and there was a new phase of history being formed. So completely a new phase of history were formed, and new policies were formed. So all what had been done was quite successful during those times. So that was it for this chapter. I hope you have understood this chapter well, that is when people rebel 1857 and after. So that was it for today. Thank you. Have a good day.